Okay, so my grade 7 is going to be our co-organizers. Alright, so they are taking a very important role in selecting, in choosing the venue, in deciding the budget, in monitoring the entire idea, in working with us on the concept note.
This is the world's first education conference organized by kids.
We did a prototype to understand what it takes to host an international conference at TU. We had a small one which was a dialogue about adolescence, where we invited our parents. So it was a very small one, but this got us to actually know the kind of hard work you have to put in to actually make an international conference happen. So there were various things which we did. We had the same thing. We had the core team, the documentation committee, all of that. But it was just on a smaller scale. And through the feedback which we got, I think we've improved a lot. And we're basically going to take care that we use all that feedback. And this international conference becomes a great success.
Parents took back something like the recipe. So like people like to take back something, so that was a good idea.
I think the tea and coffee thing went off very well. We were punctual in that. As soon as the parents came out and they were networking, so we had the tea and coffee ready.
The budgeting committee did a good job, like getting the sponsors on time, identifying what the budget will be, and using the profit for a good cause.
Actually, we had given the parents the invitation at short notice. So in the international conference, we should give it much before the conference. We choose the topic as design thinking, because for education, first you need to change the thinking process. First, it's like feel. You should always feel first. Then you should imagine that what would be the next step. And what you imagine, you should do that.
We have become enabled and we're ready to get empowered now. In 12-year-olds and 13-year-olds have hosted this conference. It makes us feel so proud that in grade 7 we hosted a conference, which is something which probably even adults can't do at this.